Whose duvet is this one here?
She brought extra now. She said she doesn't trust the sheets.
Oh, she's lying on her side. I see that.
No, because of what she saw yesterday now. She's like...
Did we scar her?
I don't know.
That beat that pussy out. Yo, bad Yorker. Party time.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Guys, finally, Erica and Kiddwaya admit to having sex in the HOH lounge on Saturday night. The lovebirds in Bbnaija house, Erica and Kiddwaya, have decided to mock Bbnaija after she took a new duvet to the HOH room. Bbnaija, who saw Erica and Kiddwaya in an unusual position doing their own thing under the duvet in the HOH lounge, decided to get a new duvet to the HOH room. Recall that Biggie issued Kiddwaya and Erica a strike because Erica stayed in the HOH lounge till 3 a.m. So her stay there was not for sleeping sake. She was there with Kiddwaya because they did something under the duvet and she decided to rest afterwards. So last night, while Kiddwaya and Erica were talking about what went down, they revealed to us that they actually did something under the duvet, which is why Bbnaija brought another duvet, saying she can't use the one there since Kiddwaya and Erica have messed that one up. So reacting to what Bbnaija did, Kiddwaya asked Erica if he beat her pussy up too bad, adding that Erica is a bad girl. So after leaving the HOH lounge, in discussion with Brighto, the two lovebirds also revealed that what they did under the duvet isn't a sex tape because they were covered under the duvet, and if for any reason they assume a political post, it won't be used against them because they were well covered and no one saw what really went down under the duvet. But from their discussion, from what they've been saying, it is obvious they had sex under the duvet. So guys, what are your thoughts on Erica and Kiddwaya's relationship? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.